And there's news coming in at this time. Amidst the global scare over a new coronavirus strain, the UK has identified a second mutant strain, another coronavirus variant. A second, more contagious strain is now being linked to South Africa. This second variant, known as 501V2. The first variant was known as B117. This second variant in the UK is called 501V2, is dominant among new confirmed infections in South Africa. The second variant has been identified in the UK just a week after a new mutation was detected. The UK government has tightened the lockdown restrictions further as a result.
We've detected 2 cases of another new variant of coronavirus here in the UK. Both are contacts of cases who have travelled from South Africa over the past few weeks. This new variant is highly concerning because it is yet more transmissible and it appears to have mutated further than the new variant that's been discovered in the UK.
I want to get a word in from Vijay Rana, who's a senior journalist live with me from London. Vijay, can you update us on this? 10 Downing Street has just released some information on this second strain where they have identified that there is a dangerous rate of spread.
Yes, they are already saying this is a super spreadable strain of the virus. And today the health secretary, just a few hours ago, has admitted that 2 people came from South Africa and with that came this new strain of the virus. So there's a lot of concern and worry here because just in a couple of days, we are going to have the Christmas festival, which is like Diwali in India. Almost everybody wanted to go to their family and friends. People wanted to travel long distances. And there's a lot of disappointment and people, when you see the radio debates and radio discussion programs, you could see there's a lot of heartache, heartbreak. Families were longing. This is the annual festival there, but government is under severe strain. The NHS is full. The hospitals are brimming with patients. And remember, these are already the crisis months every year. December and January are the worst for the NHS. So government has hardly any other option except to impose a stricter lockdown, as they have done it today. From Boxing Day, 6 million more people will be facing Tier 4 lockdown. So
Vijay,
yes,
could you tell us what further restrictions? We know that several restrictions had been put in place. A tiered level of restrictions had been put in place in the UK following the detection of that first mutant strain that was detected a few weeks ago. Now, after the second one, 10 Downing Street has said there will be stricter rules and stricter guidelines. Do we know what those are?
Well, I think this will be because this is for the additional areas which they have announced today.
Yes.
What we are facing in London is there's complete lockdown. This is more strict than what we were having in the month of summer. All the markets are closed except essential food shops. No shops are closed. Restaurants and everything is closed. Basically, the roads are almost empty. Interestingly, which is surprising a lot, though these are the Christmas holidays, the schools, they have not closed the schools. And there's a lot of government is facing criticism. A lot of parents are worried when everything is closed.
Yes.
Why have you not closed the schools? But the government is just keeping tight because these are Christmas holidays anyway, and they will have to take a decision on the 2nd of January whether the schools are going to be open or not. So, the people are really, really frustrated and they just don't know what's the way out. Because one thing is, which I will praise Boris Johnson, that the government is remarkably honest. It's not hiding anything. It's telling people that this is a serious crisis and you have to stay home. Nothing more, nothing less.
Big developing story. Vijay Rana, appreciate you joining us with the latest on that in Britain. We'll keep a track of that story. Thank you.